Hello friends, welcome to my channel NAILART. Today we will do gel nail correction, namely a spring design with an aquarium effect and a floral design. I will use stamping for the flower. So let's begin. On the prepared nail we apply a base with foil and add glitter. Fix it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Next, take a milk or lila base. I use a purple base. Using the base, we form the architecture of the nail. I help myself with a thin brush to distribute the material. We slightly overlap the sparkles, which gives you an aquarium effect. Dry in a lamp for 30 seconds. Remove the sticky layer. Next, I will work with stamping. I print the twig in black and immediately apply gold foil. I want the twig to be golden. Next, I print the plant elements a lot also using purple, burgundy and green paint. I also add a caption. On the finger the design is ready. On the next finger, imprinting a flower in black, and immediately I apply gold foil to get the golden outline of our flower. Next, I take the pink and burgundy lila paint and paint our flower. I mix colors together to get a deep effect. Using green paint to work on the leaves. Black paint correction the outline of the flower. Then I print the inscription. The drawing is ready. I cover all nails with top coat and dry for 60 seconds. We admire the result. Our spring design is ready. Well, NAILART was with you. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click like, share in the comments. Did you like the design? Good luck to all. Bye bye.